Hello, you're welcome to this video. Today I present to you a very interesting review. Are you looking for a cheap, fast, reliable, modern and up-to-date e-commerce and multi-vendor WordPress theme, which is very easy to customize? Look no further. Marketo is the solution. Marketo e-commerce theme enables you build latest and multi-vendor e-commerce websites. You can build your own Amazon, Shopify, and AliExpress in just 30 minutes. Come with me, let's see what we have in this Marketo. First thing first, I don't want you to look at this $29 here. This is actually $19. So here is Marketo. This theme is sold for $19. And someone might be thinking, what can a $19 theme offer me? Well, I'm going to shock you. Now I want to start with the first thing. This theme was created in July 2018. So it means it has the latest script, the latest everything new in the industry. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we have with this theme. Now here are the header variations. We have about 8 different variations you can use for your site. Now talking about mega menu. Mega menu is one thing that is now common with our latest e-commerce websites. A mega menu gives you more than just a menu. As you can see here, part of the things you get from a mega menu, you can be able to highlight a particular menu with new, hot, and whatever you have. It also gives you ability to have so much added to your menu, so that the content of your site can be easily accessed from the home page. So under home page, we have the different demos, about 9 of them in number. Then under pages, we have product category page, vendor page, and so on. Then shop, have track order, then blog, and this last one, wow, this is just too much. Okay, let me walk you down through this home page demo 4. Here is the slider. It's very nice. Now, is this slider responsive? Let's find out if it's responsive. So I bring this down, close it like this, and whoa, this slider is responsive. Very responsive. Take it back. Okay. Now you have unlimited colors. Choose whatever color you have, and different Woocommerce layouts. And here comes the almighty multi-vendor solution, Duncan. Now Duncan is the best from my own opinion. Now what is Duncan? Duncan is a plugin that enables you to register on an e-commerce website, upload your product, and when you make a sale, the owner of that e-commerce product takes some part of the commission and send the rest to you at the end of the month, or when you might have crossed the threshold. For example, people who sell on eBay make use of this kind of plugin to be able to post their content on eBay. Now I'll be making a video about this later, so stick with me and you get to understand what this means in case you don't know what it means. Alright, now here is a drag and drop page builder. You don't need to learn how to code or do anything. It's so easy. You just drag and drop things and your site is made or built in less than 30 minutes. You also have the social login plugins like Facebook, Twitter, Google. So that in case you don't want to register with an email, just click on the icons and you get registered. So here are the features of this theme. Elementor, like I said before, Woocommerce. Now CEO friendly. This is very, very important. And also high speed performance. This I have actually discovered myself. Marketo theme is very, very fast. It's very, very fast. Okay. Now coming back to this place, like I said before, we have nice mega menu styles. Now 2 footer styles which you can choose from. Lovely layouts. Okay, here is the social login registration. You can register with your Facebook account or Google account. Now no coding required. Everything is, you see what you're doing, and so easy guys, so easy. To set up this part of your page, you just have to play with this side and you watch what happens on the other side. How simple. Now personally, I've tried this theme and I discovered there's nothing close to this. This theme has its own new strategy, or the developers of this theme took a new dimension when it comes to e-commerce. What do I mean by that? When you install this theme to your existing WordPress blog or site or website, it moves every product you have in your store to a secured position called backup and introduces the new features. You can see Google Map, and in fact I'm so in love with this theme. I'm so in love with this theme. Now coming back to the demo once again, here is the footer and here is the partners and recent products well aligned. And here are the hot sales, the timers, and here are products with a different percentage of discount. So lovely theme. In fact, I love the layout of this theme. Now, how can one have everything just for $19? It's hard to believe, guys, but it's real. It's real. Now, I've noticed something about Elite Auto. When you talk about theme, current, modern, they are among the best. if you have gone through my channel before and my videos, you will discover where I taught how to set up a classified ad WordPress site using Classera theme. And it happens that Classera theme is also from Elite Auto. I so much believe in these guys. Now this theme is just few months old and we have 500 sales. I bet you by the time we are 12 months from the day this theme was created, it's going to be a different theme entirely. So I love this theme because I know it has the latest when it comes to e-commerce and the way things are done. So go out there, do your research, and in case you want to set up an e-commerce website for yourself or doing it for clients, I'll advise you give this or try using this theme when next you're doing a job for a client. This theme is so loaded. It's loaded. Well, in my next video, I'll be showing you how to actually install this theme and get your site running. Like I said before, installing this theme and the complete package will end up removing every product you have before on your existing site and back it up somewhere. So in case you're running on another theme and you want to switch from your previous theme to Marketo theme, you have to first download your products, your Woocommerce products. You have to first download it. So after the switch, you can then upload your products. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.